I remember it all started in 1929 when me and Diana came to Alaska to homestead some of that free government land. 40 miles from the nearest gravel road, we cut our lives in the ponderosa pines. We sweated hard to beat the winter snow. Now the cabin's up and we've got lots of time. What have you got planned tonight, Diana? Would you consider lying in my arms? I love you more than ever now, Diana. I'm sure you're the reason I was born. Jim was born the first year we were here. Look at him. My God, he's almost grown. The baby's in the cradle, fast asleep. Just thinking no time he'll be up and gone. What have you got planned tonight, Diana? Would you consider lying in my arms? I love you more than ever now, Diana. I'm sure you're the reason I was born. Well, time sure does fly, doesn't it, Diana? It's been almost 2 years since you've been gone. And speaking of time, guess you know mine's about up. I'm gonna see you tonight. Just another breath or two, I'll be home. And by the way, what have you got planned tonight, Diana? Would you consider lying in my arms? I love you more than ever now, Diana. I'm sure you're the reason I was born. I'm sure you're